We've all reached a stage in life where we've gathered a wealth of experiences, cherished memories with family and friends, and hopefully a bit of hard earned wisdom. But sometimes, as we navigate these wonderful years, our bodies can throw us a curveball or two. And what if I told you that one of the most significant threats to our well being is often the one we can't even feel? Inside each and every one of us, there are these incredible, intricate networks of pathways, your arteries. Think of them as the bustling highways of your body, tirelessly carrying life giving, oxygen rich blood to every single corner, especially to that amazing command center of yours, your brain. These highways are meant to be smooth, open, and allow for a steady flow, keeping everything running just right. But over the years, sometimes without us even noticing, these vital pathways can start to become a little less efficient. It's a slow, creeping process, much like dust settling over time. These arteries can gradually become a bit stiffer, a little narrower, perhaps even a tad clogged. And the thing is, it doesn't happen overnight with a sudden jolt. It's quiet, it's subtle, and for a long time, it's completely invisible. Now, for many of us who have joyfully passed the milestone of 60, we might start to notice little things. Maybe our blood pressure readings aren't quite where they used to be. Perhaps we experience a little tingling sensation in our hands or feet. Or there's that persistent chill in our fingertips that just won't seem to go away, no matter how many layers we put on. We might chalk these up to just getting older. And in some ways, that's a part of life. But what if these seemingly minor signs are actually your body's gentle, persistent way of whispering, hey, something's just not flowing as smoothly as it should? You see, when those internal highways start to get blocked, even just a little, it can have a ripple effect. The most concerning part is that these unseen blockages can significantly raise the risk of some serious issues, like experiencing a stroke, which can change lives in an instant, or even noticing a gradual decline in our memory, the very thing that holds our precious life stories. And often, these things can happen without us ever truly realizing what the underlying cause was. But here's the truly empowering news, the part I really want you to take to heart. You have so much more control over this than you might think. It's not about drastic measures or turning your life upside down. We're not talking about any crazy fad diets or complicated, time-consuming routines. What we're focusing on is real, wholesome food, the kind you can find in your local grocery store, perhaps even already have sitting in your kitchen right now. It's about incorporating these wonderful gifts of nature in the right amounts and at the right times. In this video, I'm excited to share with you 7 everyday foods and one very special morning drink, all wonderfully supported by solid, reliable science. These aren't just old wives' tales. These are choices that have been studied and shown to gently, naturally help sweep your arteries clean and provide a real shield of protection for your precious brain. You might be surprised to find that some of these are already familiar friends in your daily life. Let's start our journey with something truly special, something that comes straight from the vast, magnificent ocean and tastes every bit as good as it is incredibly powerful. Salmon. Oh, the mighty salmon. This isn't just a delicious dish many of us enjoy. It's truly one of the ocean's most profound gifts to your health. You see, salmon is absolutely packed with these remarkable nutrients called omega-3 fatty acids. These aren't just any fats. They are the healthy kind, the kind that scientists and health experts have been studying for decades, and with very good reason. In fact, research from reputable organizations like the American Heart Association has clearly demonstrated that omega-3s can work wonders for our cardiovascular system. They can help lower those sometimes tricky triglyceride levels in our blood, reduce inflammation within our blood vessels, think of it as soothing any irritation on those internal highways, and even prevent those tiny platelets in our blood from clumping together and forming potentially dangerous blood clots. Think of your brain as a sophisticated, high-performance engine, the control center for everything you do and feel. And omega-3s? Well, they're like the premium top of the line oil that keeps all the gears turning smoothly, efficiently, and without any unnecessary friction. Without enough of these vital fats, things inside our arteries and even our brain can start to stiffen up, slow down, and simply not run as efficiently as they should over time. But when you consciously give your body the omega 3s it needs, you're actively helping to maintain the essential flexibility of your arteries, which in turn supports sharper thinking, a better memory for all those cherished moments, and a significantly lower risk of experiencing a stroke. The sweet spot to aim for is about 2 to 3 servings of salmon per week, with each serving being roughly the size of the palm of your hand. Pair it with some fresh, colorful greens, perhaps some roasted vegetables for added nutrients, or even just a simple squeeze of lemon for a burst of fresh flavor without adding extra sodium. Speaking of vibrant colors and future health, our next artery-friendly food isn't from the sea at all. In fact, it's a vibrant, jewel-like fruit that works its wonders on your arteries in a completely different yet equally powerful way. The magnificent pomegranate. When you gently break open a pomegranate, those glistening ruby red seeds aren't just visually stunning. They are absolutely bursting with powerful plant compounds called polyphenols and anthocyanins. These are like tiny, natural superheroes, each with a very special job to do when it comes to your health. According to compelling studies published in reputable journals like Atherosclerosis, pomegranate juice has been shown to actually increase the production of something called nitric oxide in your body. Now, why is nitric oxide so important? Well, think of it as a natural relaxant for your blood vessels. It helps them gently open wider, allowing your precious blood to flow more freely and easily, especially to your brain. Pomegranate, through the action of nitric oxide, works like a bit of warm water, gently loosening that stiffness, allowing for improved circulation. And the incredible benefits of pomegranate don't stop there. The powerful antioxidants found in those ruby red seeds also actively fight against something called oxidative stress. This is essentially a process that can damage your cells and significantly contribute to the buildup of that unwanted plaque inside your arteries. By slowing down this damaging process, you're essentially giving your blood vessels a longer, healthier life. Enjoying pomegranate is wonderfully simple. You can savor the fresh seeds straight from the fruit, toss them into your salads for a delightful burst of flavor and texture, or even blend them into your morning smoothie for an extra nutritional punch. Next, we're going to explore the wonderful world of leafy green vegetables, and I want to introduce you to one that might not be quite as famous as its cousin, spinach, but it possesses an impressive ability to keep your blood vessels happy and healthy, the peppery delight known as arugula. Arugula might not be the first leafy green that pops into your mind when you think about healthy eating, but this little peppery leaf is a quiet yet incredibly potent powerhouse for both your arteries and your brain. Unlike some milder greens like lettuce or iceberg, arugula is naturally rich in dietary nitrates. These are natural compounds that your body cleverly converts into that all-important nitric oxide we just discussed with pomegranates. And as we know, nitric oxide helps your blood vessels relax, widen, and become more efficient at carrying that vital oxygen-rich blood straight to your brain. This improved blood flow can translate to sharper focus, better memory recall, and a reduced risk of experiencing a stroke. But that's not all that arugula has to offer. It's also a fantastic source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in preventing calcium from building up inside your arteries. Arugula also contains folate, a B vitamin that helps reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that has been linked to artery damage when its levels in the blood become too high. One of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to incorporate arugula into your diet is to enjoy it raw in a fresh, vibrant salad. Its peppery bite adds a wonderful zest to your plate. Now, let's move on to something wonderfully creamy and rich. A fruit that's not only a delight to eat, but also a true master at helping to lower that bad cholesterol we sometimes hear about and easing the pressure on your arteries. The ever popular and incredibly beneficial avocado. This creamy fruit is remarkably rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, often called MUFAs. These are the types of fats that are well known for their impressive ability to help lower LDL cholesterol. That's the kind of cholesterol that can contribute to the clogging of your arteries, while simultaneously helping to raise your HDL cholesterol, which is often referred to as the good cholesterol because it helps clear those arteries. When your LDL levels are in a healthy range and your HDL levels are good, your blood can flow more smoothly and efficiently, delivering a steady and vital stream of oxygen and essential nutrients directly to your brain. Avocados are also wonderfully loaded with potassium, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in helping to balance the levels of sodium in your body. Too much sodium can unfortunately cause your blood pressure to climb, putting extra and unnecessary strain on your delicate blood vessels. Potassium acts like a natural counterbalance, helping to relax those vessel walls and ease that pressure. Avocados also contain a good amount of vitamin E, which acts as a potent antioxidant, helping to reduce oxidative stress within your blood vessels. Now, let's continue on our journey to a healthier you. Our next food is the tiny yet mighty chia seed. These little seeds are packed with plant-based omega-3s and a special kind of fiber that acts like a sponge, soaking up excess cholesterol and carrying it out of your body before it can clog your arteries. You can easily sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to a smoothie, or even make a tasty chia pudding. Next, we have a liquid gold from the Mediterranean, extra virgin olive oil. This isn't just for cooking, it's a proven protector of your arteries. It's full of powerful antioxidants called polyphenols that calm inflammation and shield your blood vessels from damage. The healthy fats in olive oil act like a gentle lubricant, keeping your arteries flexible so blood can flow freely to your brain. Just a tablespoon or two a day, drizzled over a salad or used for light sautéing, can make a big difference. Finally, let's turn up the heat with cayenne pepper. This spicy pepper is a natural circulation booster. Its active compound, capsaicin, helps your blood vessels relax and widen, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of blood clots. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can even help lower blood pressure. A tiny pinch in soups, stews, or even a glass of warm lemon water can give your circulation an energizing boost. Now, for that special morning drink. Starting your day with a simple mix of lemon, ginger, and turmeric is a powerful way to detoxify, improve circulation, and set the tone for clear thinking. Lemon provides vitamin C to protect artery walls, ginger helps reduce inflammation and blood clots, and turmeric's curcumin is a superstar anti-inflammatory. Just mix the juice of half a lemon, a teaspoon of grated ginger, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in a mug of warm water. For an extra boost, add a pinch of black pepper, which helps your body absorb the curcumin. So there you have it. Simple, delicious choices that can do wonders for your arteries and keep your brain sharp. You don't need a complete diet overhaul, just small, consistent changes that build up over time. Each meal becomes an opportunity to protect your health, to keep your blood flowing smoothly, and to support a clearer, more vibrant mind. Think of it as a daily gift to your future self. Take care of your arteries, and they'll take care of you for years to come.